Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds your publications. This ensures edits attach to your record. Once done, open Google Scholar and click your name or the profile icon to enter My Profile. Now verify the institutional email and set your primary affiliation. This improves discoverability and lets Google recommend updates. Make sure to add research interests and a public email if you want contact requests. These first actions let the profile populate correctly and enable later import steps. Next, you handle publications. Click Edit and choose Add Articles to import from your Scholar list, upload a bib.txt file, or paste DOIs. Pick the source that yields the most metadata. Once imported, inspect each entry and merge duplicates to avoid inflated counts. Duplicates often arise from preprint and publisher versions. Adjust authorship and publication years where needed, and set visibility per item so public profiles show only what you want. Doing this carefully keeps citation metrics accurate. Finally, complete profile details. Upload a professional photo, add a homepage URL, and refine keywords so your profile surfaces in searches. Save all changes and consider enabling automatic updates to import new work. Once saved, review citation counts and set alerts for new citations. If a publication doesn't appear, first manually add it with full metadata. If that fails, wait 24 to 72 hours for Google to index newer records. This delay is the most common fix when items are missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.